I've got my Ice Cream Beauty Box for the month of August. So if you want to see what palette I chose and how everything came out, then stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit just left the room, and Chloe's still at school, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out, and if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is my Ice Cream Beauty Box. It is a monthly beauty subscription. It was $25. It did go up a little bit in price, but there is no shipping tacked on to that. So it's a really good deal if you like makeup, and there is an eyeshadow palette in every box. Now they have a bag that's $12.50. That price did not go up, but you are going to pay shipping and handling. And there is a palette, a different palette in the bag every month as well. So some people get both. Sometimes if it's a palette I really like and I catch the spoiler, I might, go on and grab the bag, but typically I just get the box. So this month's theme is Wither or Bloom. All right. And I've been seeing a lot of people on Instagram post their palette, and it looks like a lot of people got broken palettes. So I'm hoping that's not the case for mine, but we're going to dig in and see. I'm going to start from the bottom, and that is by B. Bella, the Blushed Color Quad in Light. All right, so there we go. This is a $12 value, and it says it's your perfect companion for a glowing summer, offering shades that bloom softly on skin or build into a bolder, radiant flush. Next, by Chantico Beauty, is the Chrome Cub Multi-Chrome Liquid Eyeshadow. All right, so this looks like the one that I got last month. I'm going to go grab that with Sid. Okay, they are similar looking, but this one is a darker one. This one is a lighter one, more iridescent. Aren't they adorable? This is a $20 value. I'll swatch both for you. So the top one is the new one. As you can see, it's much lighter than the one we got last month, but super psyched. I hope we get one of these each month. You can see the flip there to the purple or the blue, depending upon which one you're looking at. And then, as you can see, that top one has some gold and some green in there. And the bottom one has some gold and green as well. They're just different shades of it. So super excited about that. Next, by Illuminati Cosmetics. You would have either gotten the Ruby or the Sorbet. This is a liquid lip of some type. It's a $21 value. Let's see, what does it say? Hydrating, Ultra Shine, lip oil. All right, I got Sorbet, which I think would be a nice color for me. Actually, it's going to be probably clear. Yeah, it is clear, so there's no color in that at all, but that's fine because I love a lip oil, color or not. It says it has a sheer kiss of color. I didn't really notice that, but that's all right. Next, by Moonslice Beauty, we have the Girly Pop Highlighter Stick. This is a $18 value. And it is stuck in the cap there. All right, so I just kind of stuffed it back in. It's not going to stay. I'll have to contact them, but I did get a little drop of it on my hand. All right, there we go. And then you can buff that to a nice shine because it's just going to get stuck back on there again. It's not going to go down. All right, the moment of truth. I actually chose both palettes, and I did that by accident because when it went to choice, I just clicked the both, and I was like, wait, what did I do? Because there was definitely one that I was more excited about, but for an extra $10, I'm like, well, whatever, it can be gifted, put in a giveaway, whatever. All right, the first one is the Bloom palette. And like everybody else, you can see that those chromes are all just wanting to pop out. All right, so there is one of them, and look at how gorgeous that is. You can definitely shift. All right, the other one, not as much, but that top one, you can really see the shift. Now, the other one was wrapped in bubble wrap, and this was the one I would not have necessarily chosen. And this is the Deadly Rose, and it is also, yeah. All right, future me here, just breaking into this Ice Cream Beauty Box unboxing. I did reach out to Ice Cream Beauty. They were very quick to get back to me. They're working with Clarity Cosmetics to figure out how they're going to replace it. It is a magnetic pan, so they may just send us out replacement pans, or it may be entire palettes. I said I'm totally cool with just replacement pans. Like, even though that one got gold into everything, I kind of liked it. Like, I didn't mind that there was a little sparkle in some of the other colors. So I'm totally cool with that. I don't know how you all feel, but I do feel it's a waste to send me a whole other palette, because there's perfectly usable things in there, perfectly usable other colors. And I'm not mad about a little bit of gold in one of them. So that's just my update, and back to the video. So here is how that gold one looks. But like everybody else, is very damaged. So I will definitely reach out to Ice Cream Beauty and, keep you guys posted. They've been pretty good in the past, although I think this is something that's happening with all the customers. I don't know how they're going to be able to replace everybody's. I don't know if Clarity Cosmetics is going to be able to do that or not, but here's hoping. And if not, I mean, it's usable. They just are going to have to be stored sitting like this. And I'm going to have to really squish them back in. But again, my concern is that it is going to make a mess just within the other eyeshadows. So I am concerned about that. The other colors in there that leaking out. All right. Well, let me know your thoughts. What was your favorite? Is that bear not the cutest little thing you ever did see? All right, well, leave me a comment down below. Let me know how your day is going, what your favorite item was. If you got this box and yours were messed up too, I'd love to know that. Like I said, I've seen several postings on Instagram where people were getting them damaged as well. So I know I'm not alone in this. But let me know if you get this box, if you had that happen too. All right, well, that's all I have for now. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.